See, suppose there is a sudden rise in the market or a particular stock, sharp rally.
Okay.
Like this.
Okay.
Okay. So rally started at 100 rupees, say for example. Okay. And rally, I mean, this candle closed at say 120, 20% rally within a single day, or say some candle within a single day or so. Just one. So this is a huge vertical rally. So this type of rallies we can see frequently in the stock market, maybe intraday or on delivery basis also, positional basis also. So I will ask you one question. Will you buy this stock at 120 rupees because this is a big Marubozu bullish candle?
No, it is a climax. It can be a climax candle. So I'll be waiting for another 2 days.
Suppose it is not a climax candle. Climax candle will come at the end of the trend. Maybe previously also it has been rising from past some 5-6 days. So this is the 7th day, a big rally came. So then it is termed as climax candle or exhaustion candle. But this is the first day itself. Say for example, this is the first day itself. So we got big rally. So so will you buy now?
No, I don't. I won't.
Why? Tell me.
Because I don't know about this. Basically, I don't know what's going on here. Basically, correct. So right, I'll be waiting till I get a proper view about this, either technicals or news.
Yeah. Okay. That is one point. Good. Okay. Suppose everything is good. Suppose then even though I won't buy it.
Why?
Even though I won't buy it because it raised it. So this is it raised drastically in a single day. So
Okay.
90% there are chances of some profit booking.
Okay.
We can expect some profit booking
Okay.
unless until there is a special case, extraordinary case, it won't rise further immediately. On the next day itself it won't rise further.
Okay.
Okay, unless until there is an excellent news or something special extraordinary situation. Okay, so generally those who bought at 90 rupees or 100 rupees or 105 rupees, they are in huge profits. So what they will do next day? They will
Stop.
try to book profits. Yes, so then it will come down. So I don't want to buy it at so much expensive rate. This is very expensive rate. So I can't buy it. I won't buy it, but I don't buy it. So and it is not recommended to buy it also. Suppose you have bought for the share at 100 rupees, or you have some holdings of the share from past 1 year or 6 months. So what you do now? Immediately you will try to book profits,
Yes.
right? So then it will start coming down like this.
Okay.
Okay. So this is called, I am telling you, this is called retracement. Some people call it as pullback also. It is some controversial terminology. Okay. Leave it either pullback or retracement. Retracement is the perfect word. Retracement. It is retracing for 2 days or 3 days or so.
Okay.
It came like that. Some profit booking came from up from 120 to 110 rupees or so. It came. Okay. What the people like me, okay, now I will start buying it.
Okay.
Or those who missed
No chance.
buying opportunity in this, they will try to buy it now,
Okay.
right? So what they think, okay, this has increased a lot in a single day. So let me wait for a few days. It will come down. Then I will buy. Okay. Then I will buy. It will let it come to a reasonable rate. Then I will buy it. So then the people, then the people who missed it will start buying it. So one fine day again it will rise like this. Maybe it may rise like this, or there are chances of rising it again sharp rally also. Right? Because many people are buying here at this point. Okay. Now this is called a flag pattern. It is resembling a flag. See, This is a flagpole, and these three red color candles representing flag. Okay, flagpole and flag. Okay, so a flag pattern gives you an opportunity for buying, an opportunity for taking a long position. Okay,
Okay.
right. So let me draw. So, but when we have to buy? Okay, just after seeing a small green candle, we should not buy. We have to buy when the flag is broken out. That means I am drawing a line here. See, let us draw a line. See, this is representing a flag, right? The highest point of the flag must be broken out. Then we can take a buy call on this.
Highest point means?
Yeah. So highest point means, see, highest point means, I mean the immediate highest point, not this one. I am drawing a candle. Suppose a candle formed, a green candle formed like this. So here a breakout came. Okay. So now we can buy here.
Okay.
We can buy the stock here. So it need not cross the highest point of the flag, as I told you. So just I am wrong. I am correcting my point. See, though I mean the immediate highest point. See, you have drawn a trend line. No, you have drawn a line like this. Top gray color line. It has to close above the top gray color line. Then you can buy it. Okay. So make a note of this diagram.
Buy here means that in the first green color.
After closing of that candle.
Okay.
Just a minute. Yeah, Chipra. One whistle. Right. Huh? Slide by two. Yeah, Rajesh, you note down this figure.
Yeah, I did.
So we have to buy only when the candle closes, even in the intraday. Let it be 5 minutes candle or 15. If we are following 15 minutes candle or 5 minutes candle or 1 hour candle or daily candle, after closing of that particular candle only we have to take the position. Never take when it is running, when the candle is running. Remember.
Okay.
And what should be the stop loss? The
Stop
lowest
loss
point.
is the lowest point of the green candle.
Simple. That is well known. This is the stop loss.
No, this is new stop loss. Actually, generally we will be going for the candle before it. Okay, whatever we are buying, we will be going to the candle for first. I thought you will be saying the first green candle. Okay.
Green candle. The green candle must break out the gray color line. That means flag top point. Okay. Generally, I mean, sometimes we see inverted flags also, but this also occurs, but rarely. Okay. So inverted flag means suppose suddenly a stock fell down sharply, very sharply, like this. Okay. Say the downfall started from 100 rupees to say 80 rupees. Now some pullback, some retracement may come in this particular stock. Okay, like for a few days it may start rising like this for 1 or 2 days or 3 days or so, and this is called retracement. Okay, then again because the stock has become very weak, again it will fall down one fine day. Okay,
Now, how can I say it is very weak?
see, it fell down like this from 100 rupees to 80 rupees, 20% it fell down. Means why it fell down? There must be something inside it. Something bad inside it. Maybe some news or some quarterly results or anything, or some fundamentally it has become weak, or maybe due to some reason it fell down, or maybe total market is very, very weak due to corona or gerona something. Some bad news. So due to something, it fell down a lot. So that means it has become weak. Right? See, suppose you have to know this concept. See, if the stock is going like this,
Okay.
so the stock is strong or weak?
Strong.
Strong, right? Okay, fine. Then it fell down like this. Is it strong or weak?
It's still strong, but not that much.
It is still strong. It is still strong. Okay. Suppose it fell down like this, then
It's weak.
it's weak. Like that's the thing. Similarly, it fell down like this. It has become weak. Now it is rising. Is it, so can we say the stock has become strong?
Wait, we can't. Right?
No. Again, there are chances of there are many chances of falling down. Right. That's what I mean to say. So suddenly, so one fine day, again it will come down. There are chances. 99% it may fall down like this. Something like that. Okay. So let me draw a curve. This we can treat this as inverted flag. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. One fine day, again it started falling down. And closed below this flag. So now this is the time to short sell. And the highest point of that red candle acts as stop loss. This is simple.
So what happens that if the next candle to the red is becoming a green?
This one,
Yeah.
yeah, this is red candle formed. Okay.
See, we will be doing a star. We will be doing a shot at the top of the candle. Correct. Top of the second red candle.
We will be shorting at the
Bottom of the
bottom of the red candle.
red candle. What happens tomorrow? The market opened in such a way that it gapped up. Okay, it is considered it started or opened at 90 rupees and it fell still 85 or 85 rupees or something. What is that? Still it is a red candle, but it is formed above this red candle. So what will you do at that time?
So so I will tell you. So have you noted down this figure?
Yes, I have.
Right. Okay. Can you draw and show me?
I can, no issues.
So I mean, you have to share the screen, no?
Done. Yeah. No, normally these days, right, due to this pandemic and other things, I can be seeing many such things. Okay.
Yeah. See, I will tell you. I will tell you the market situation also.
I hope you can able to see my screen now.
That's what. Yes, I can see.
See, as you said, we got one big. Sorry, it's not a green. It's basically red candle. No, actually, it's basically, let's go for it's basically a green candle formed like this. Okay. After this, we are getting like this, and like this, we are getting a candle. It's making like this. Okay. And third day, we are getting a green candle somewhere like this.
No. You have not selected the rectangle. Yes. Now draw.
I am getting this. Correct.
Yeah. Okay.
So what we supposed to do is that we supposed to go for what was that? Here we need to go for buy. Okay.
Yes.
Here we need to keep the stop loss.
Yes.
Here we will be keeping the stop loss. Correct.
Yeah, correct.
See, next day, consider that we are getting another green candle. The green candle is like this.
Okay, that okay. That means you have taken already the long position.
Long position I took here. Okay,
Mm.
but
Mm.
what long position I took here, stop
And
loss here. It
yeah.
started here and it is a green candle. It's a green candle. Yeah, somewhere or other it is showing the positive trend. See, I can able to see that there are some more candles also which will go like this also. Right. So, it will go like this and it will go like this and suddenly on a day it will come like this. See, it will open like this and it will close like this.
Okay.
So, these are the patterns which I am seeing very common nowadays. Gap up, it is called, they say it as gap up. The gap up is somewhat irregular. See, a red candle is formed above a green candle. See, whoever entered in the what to say that end point of the green candle are in profit, but even though it is lost on the third day. See, it's going down. So how it is? This is very strange to me. So I don't know how to. I'll have this also right actually.
Okay. See. Okay.
I forgot. I am not seeing exactly the thing.
Okay. No problem. See, first of all, yeah, just a second. Just a
Yeah,
second. Be online.
okay.
Yeah. First of all, see, show me your drawing. Yeah, drawing. No, see. So on a particular first green candle day, you have taken long position, and the bottom of that is the stop loss. Okay, you took the long position, you bought it. Okay, but what happened? The next day itself, it opened in a gap down manner. It opened with a huge gap down, right? Next day itself. Let us consider that green candle day as day 1. Next green candle day as day 2. You took a buy position on the day 1. So on day 2 what happened? It opened with a huge gap down. Means you are in big loss, right? The opening itself you are in big loss. Am I right?
Yes, you are right. You are right.
Yes. So probably suppose if you have kept as a particular stop loss, suppose if your stop loss got hitted, yes, then no problem. So already we are prepared for that stop loss, right? Then the matter is over. Your trading is over.
Okay, just consider this.
Then if it rises and if it goes up or it goes down, there is no matter for us.
Okay, see.
Right. We should not think about it. Yes, as per our technical, we followed. As per the pattern, as per the technology we followed. Yes, if it is going against us, we can't do anything. Just leave it.
See,
Understood?
actually,
Don't
okay.
chase. Don't keep on chasing that stock. Okay. Then what happens is we will become emotional, and it leads to some other disasters. Right? What we feel, after hitting my stop loss, it raised. I should have not kept the stop loss. Your thinking will go in a wrong way. Then.
Okay.
Okay, hitting, if your stop loss is hitted means it is not a wrong. It is not a wrong one. You are not doing anything wrong. So market is not going according to our analysis. That's it. Okay. Okay. Leave it. Then you have to simply leave that stock. That's it.
Okay.
Right. Now the screen is shared, no?
Yeah, yes.
The flag formation usually occurs when the stock rallies sharply, almost vertically. Flag pattern are marked by a big move which is followed by a short correction. In the correction phase, the price would generally move within two parallel lines like this. This is the Bharati Airtel example, once upon a time example, right? So it went sharply like this, it came down like this. You can draw an approximate line. So once it crosses that, then you can go for buying it, and this is the stop loss.
Okay.
So this is okay. So even you can see these kind of examples in intraday also. Okay, may not be so frequently.